Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.10, Problem 16. This is Section 2.10, Problem 16. It says simplify, and we have the fraction 81 over 100 under a square root. So we want the square root of 81 over 100. So when you have the square root of a fraction, you can really break it into two separate square roots, square root of the numerator over square root of the denominator. So we can think of this as square root of 81 over square root of 100. Square root of 81 is 9, because 9 times 9 multiplies to 81. Square root of 100 is 10, because 10 times 10 is 100. So the square root of 81 over 100 is one whole fraction, is 9/10, because 9 over 10 times 9 over 10 will give you back the value under the square root, the 81 over 100.